welcome to C# programming for beginner class. This is my 13th video, and in this video I will talk about C# user output and user input. So what user output basically means, for example, we want to display any text, any value of any variable, the result of any mathematical operation. So if we want to do that during our programming execution, so how we can do that? So for that we need these functions console.write and console.writeline. And so what is the difference between these two lines? So I will show these in program during coding. What is user input? For example, we during our program, our coding, we declare any variable and we also assign or initialize the value for that. But we don't want to do that. We need to assign the value for any variable during our program execution. We want to store any value to the any variable during our program execution. So how we can do that? So for that we need the bellow function. So let's see how we can do that. Let's come to the Visual Studio, and so let's see how we can display any value, any text, or the result of any function, any mathematical operation. So let's see by the function of console.write, and we can put any text inside the double quotation, any text, and any text you want to display. So you can see if I run the program, any text you want to display, this text will display here, and we can do that by the function of Console.WriteLine 2. If we write the Console.WriteLine 2, this will do the same, displaying this text during our program execution. So let's see. So you can see the result is same, but what is the difference between write and writeline? So what basically write do? So write only display the text, let me show you again. You can see write only display that text, and the cursor is blinking here, you can see. And if we put the line, so what this function do? This first will display this text, and this will and after that it will put one enter during our program execution. Let me run this program again, and you can see the cursor is blinking after the text, and it means that first it display the text, and after that it put the enter. So the difference between these two is that write is console.write only display the text, and console.writeline it first display the text and then put one enter. So let me show you how we can display the value of any variable. So for that I want to declare any variable integer, for example integer string name is equal to Sikandar Safe, and integer age is equal to 32. So I declared two variable, one is string, another is integer. So if I want to display the name variable, so I will put the name variable name here. So let me display. You can see it shows us the value of name variable. If we want to display the age, so you can see it shows the result of the age variable. So how we can this is how we can display the value of any variable. And if you want to show the result of any mathematical operation, you can do that too. For example, 3 = 3 + 5. So you better know that it equal to 8. So let me show, does it work? Yes, you can see the result of 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. We can also show the result of the mathematical operation of two variables. For example, I want to declare two variable, integer x is equal to 10 and integer y is equal to 20, and I want to display the result of the mathematical operation of these two variables. For example, I want to display the result of the multiply result of these two variables, x multiply y. So you better know that the result is 200. You can see the result is 200. So this is how you can display the result of any mathematical operation. I also showed you that how you can display how you can display the text, how you can display the value of any variable inside the console.write and console.writeline. So let's come to the user input. That means that how we can assign the value for any variable during program execution. For example, I want to assign the I want to assign the value for the name variable during our program execution. So how we can do that? For example, I want to display one text here, enter your name. Now we will write a function for to assign the value to the name variable manually during program execution. For that, we write the name of variable name equal to console.read line. So now we will display the value of name variable. So console.writeline or write, and then we will write the name of variable. So let's run the program, and you can see first it display the text for us, enter your name. So I will write my name Sikandar Safe. Okay, I will not write the software. So when I hit the enter, then you can see it displays as the name back, because we store the name, we store my name in the name variable, and after that we display my name by the code of console.write. So that's how we can display any value, any text, any mathematical operation, and how we can manually assign the value for any variable during our program execution. Like and share the video, and if you have any question, you can comment below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.